Hi and welcome guys to another new watch unboxing. I'll try to shorten this part of the video as much as possible because it may be boring for some of you. But this is an unboxing video, so I need to show you what is inside the box for sure. Let's take the watch out. This is an Addiesdive watch. It's a Pelican case, as usual from Addiesdive. Let's quickly see what is inside the box. Let's keep the watch aside. The warranty card, unsigned, a common user manual, and a bracelet tool to resize. So this is coming with push pins. So that's it, guys. This is all what we get inside the box. Let's keep the box aside. I'm keeping these two here because I don't know if the case is anywhere anything similar to these two. So if that is the case, we can compare this as well. So guys, this is the latest and greatest from Addiesdive, the AD2547 in purple. There are two more colors. I will leave the pictures of those colors as well. One is in dark blue and sky blue, more of an peacock blue as well. The color is mostly inspired from the deep sea vibe. This purple looks fantastic indeed. I'm a big purple lover, so I'm gonna love this watch for sure. Let's quickly unwrap this plastic and get to the watch. All the plastics are off. Let's give a quick wipe. Have a look at this dial, guys. Guys, quick wrist check. I'm wearing this Proxima Vortex dial watch in this blue colorway. I'm wearing it on an silicone rubber strap, which I really like. This is very comfortable in this strap. Watch out for this watch as well. It's a lovely watch indeed. I will leave the links for all these watches in the description. Guys, I bought this watch from Addiesdive watch flagship store in AliExpress. Watch out for the links in the description. And also, as a routine, please subscribe to the channel to help the channel so we can bring you more videos like this. When we talk about this case construction, it is 316L stainless steel construction and the sides are polished. There's the issue with the polished dials. You get this fingerprint mark, and the upper part of the watch is brushed, and you can see this polish and brush effect. When the light hits them, it's really lovely to look at, but it is difficult to maintain this without scratches. That's why I like the sides to be more brushed, but this is how it is. It is a fantastic looking dial, guys. I hope this has been inspired from the Explorer. Have a look at this purple dial, guys. It's gorgeous indeed, and it has this meteorite texture in there, which is absolutely well done. This is more of an dome crystal as well. So let's have a look at this dial. We have printed hour markers and big numerals at 12, 3 and 9, and we have a date window at 6 o'clock, which is always nice to see. And we have printed mini trackers, and this is absolutely breathtaking to look at this dial making from Addiesdive. Addiesdive is coming up with gorgeous dials indeed at this budget point. This is also one of the watches. I will show you both together. Now look at this dials, guys. Each one has their own speciality. This watch is more related to this. The case is very much similar. This is one of my favorite. Have a look at this case. I think this is a very similar case design, and but the dial is totally different thing. Both have very different dial styling. This is one of my favorite, and this might become one of my favorite as well, this purple color. Let's quickly have a look at this crystal. This is sapphire crystal, and it's an top hat kind of sapphire crystal, which will give you an vintage vibe on this watch. It will give you fantastic distortions from different angles, and this has plenty of AR coating. It seems like an blue AR coating. You can see that. Let's do a quick sapphire test and see if this is real sapphire. Yeah, you're getting good reading for sapphire. So this is a genuine piece of sapphire, no doubt about that. With the NH35 Saga, the 8215 is one of the trustworthy movements right now. This is a new, that means a modified one. You have this hacking movement. You can see the second hand as hacked. Let's quickly set the time and see how the crown action. Let's see at what time the date changes. At around 11:55 midnight changes the date. Really nice action. It's screw in and see. Nice proportion. It has screw down perfectly. And this is a very nice feature indeed, guys, at this budget point, because many of the known brands, as I keep on saying, they don't provide you screw down crowns, just push pull crowns, and not even sapphire. So, I mean, 2-3 times the price of this watch, you don't get any of those features. Let's quickly have a look at this bracelet. This comes with this filing Jubilee style bracelet, and have a look at this integration. It's a really nice integration. You don't see any too much of a gap over there. And this starts at 20 at the lugs and tapers down to 16 at the clasp. And this comes with push pins, no screw pins, but it's a reasonable bracelet at this price point, and you don't get any rough edges on the back of the bracelet. You can see it is pretty much brushed, which is an excellent finishing as well from Addiesdive. And have a look at this clasp. It's an fully milled clasp with 5 micro adjustment. I keep on saying and praising this because recognized brand won't give you a milled clasp with 5 micro adjustment. You may get 3 or something like that, which will be difficult to get a proper fit. Let's quickly put this watch on my wrist and see how it looks on my wrist. Is an 6.5-inch wrist. Look at that watch, guys. Don't you love this? I'm extremely loving this watch. Absolutely superb. And no overhanging. It's pretty nice on my 6.5-inch wrist. Guys, please subscribe to the channel to help the channel, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up as well, so it's going to help the channel a lot. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the loom shot of this particular watch, because this is going to have plenty of great loom, because this comes with BGW9 loom, and this is an Addiesdive watch, so we know they're going to give you very good loom. Let's quickly switch off these lights and see how the loom looks like. Have a look at that loom. Absolutely. This is gorgeous indeed. This is BGW9. And look at those numerals. I'm really loving it. And let me bring it a little closer. Look at it. It really shines. BGW9. Addiesdive, the moment when you say Addiesdive at this budget point, it's hard to beat them in this loom battle, because they give you very good loom. Have a look at that application. It is a very good application. Plenty of layers you can see evenly applied. Overall, it's an very nice experience. Have a look at these guys as well. All Addiesdives, different dials and amps. And, this looks the most, I thought so, because I was expecting this to be so good because of those big numbers at 12, 3, and 9. This is really gorgeous looking indeed.